except they're giving us the terminal and the initial, and they want it in ai plus bj form. So we still want to do terminal minus initial to get those horizontal and vertical components, but instead of writing it with the pointy parentheses, we're doing the I and the J, okay? I put a picture on there or a graph so that you could plot it if you wanted to. If we start at -5, -2, and we end at -3, -4, that means we went in this direction, right? So that's why terminal minus initial is important, right? Because it keeps the direction intact. So we could say that vector t is, for the horizontal component, doing terminal minus initial, -3 minus -5i, plus terminal minus initial for the vertical component is going to be -4 minus -2j. So let's see, we're going to have a positive 2i minus 2j, which we can see from our little sketch, right? We can see in that sketch that we go 2 units to the right and 2 units down. Again, if we went the other direction, if we did initial minus terminal, it would mean that vector was going up, right? So that's why that's important. Same thing on the next one here. We start at 5, -2, and we end at -1, -3. And again, you don't have to draw it. I just sometimes think it helps a little bit. So we're talking about vector u. And starting with our horizontal, we'll have -1 minus 5i, plus, for our vertical component, -3 minus a -2j. So -6i, positive, minus j. So if we've only got 1 unit there, you don't put the 1 in front of it, right? We just leave it.